Hello, I am Dr Jan Cobben, pediatric geneticist working and living in London in the United Kingdom. As a pediatric geneticist, I diagnose and see children and also unborn babies with rare and very rare genetic conditions. Now, in the almost 40 years that I work, I've seen more than 20,000 children with rare genetic conditions, but 2 years ago I saw a boy in London and diagnosed him with a condition I'd never seen before, and the name of that condition is mosaic variegated aneuploidy, or MVA. MVA, or mosaic variegated aneuploidy, these words sound rather complicated, so I'll try to explain what they mean. So mosaic means that your body contains, in a mosaic pattern, cells that are completely normal and cells that are abnormal. Variegated means that the type of abnormality in the abnormal cells can be different from cell to cell. And aneuploidy means that the abnormal cells contain an abnormal number of chromosomes, and chromosomes carry all the genetic information in the cells. The next question to address is the question, what is the cause of mosaic variegated aneuploidy, MVA? And it is a genetic condition. It can only occur if each parent of a child is carrier of a faulty gene. Now, being carrier of a faulty gene is nothing special, because all human beings are carrier of many faults in the genes, and they're unaware. Only if both parents are carrier of exactly the same faulty gene, then the child can get two faulty gene copies, and that child can develop mosaic variegated aneuploidy. If that happens, then in each pregnancy of those parents, the probability is 25%, which is 1 in 4, that the child will be affected. So MVA is not a curable condition, but it's still to the benefit of the child and the family to know the diagnosis. For the child, because if you know the diagnosis, the child will be monitored by a pediatric team, often lifelong, to prevent certain complications that might arise before they occur. And for the family, of course, it's important to know, because it is a genetic condition, so you can prevent a recurrence of the birth of another child with MVA in the same family or in family members. Also, you can reach out to other families who are affected with MVA so they can unite, which already is happening. And there are indeed patient groups active, and there are also researchers actively involved in the world trying to find a cure or therapeutic options for MVA. That is probably still a long way to go, but I don't know, and no one knows what the situation will be in 5 years or 10 years or 15 years from now. And if you do not try, then it will of course never happen.